Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How is all the traders? How is everyone doing? Once again, Savitri making another exciting video. This video is going to take it to the next level because if you watch this video until the end, you will understand what is Forex and how you can really take advantage of this industry, because this is a business. All right, so without ado, as you know, I always share my screen, and this is how I teach my student. So sharing what is Forex, because welcome to my channel where you learn to become a better trader. So welcome to my channel once again. So what is my name? So my name is Sabby. People also call me Sabby. So I have been working in industry, which is a hospitality industry, more than 12 years. I have been a business owner, traditional business owner, where all these popular leaders who you say, the Scott Morrison, previous Prime Minister, used to come and eat in our restaurant. His favorite dish was there, which is lamb rogu. This was my creation. Also in the corporate world. Now I'm in a corporate world working as a part-time. Yes, I almost about to finish all these jobs because I'm in my business right now. So I'm also mother of 3 children, very much passionate about compounding principle, because I know that most of the world's wealthiest person are those people who knows how to work, make their money work for them. How to make their money work for them means that they really don't work for money. Their money is working for themselves. All right, let's begin. So I'm also binary option trader. I do a little bit of trading in cryptos, but I'm not that much fan in cryptos. I don't know why, but yeah, I still do it. And because to just make myself updated. And I am actually FX queen, you can say. All right, this is my little bit of background pictures. Everyone probably know watching my other videos. I have been part of the industry, which is hospitality industry. I have been inspiring many people through some speeches. I'm also a motivational speaker, and I help some students. You can see, thank you so much, Dee, for teaching me a skill that will last a lifetime. Now I have not only got FX skill, but also a sister. I mean, yeah, I have been helping. She is making now, I think, more than 1,000 a day. And I also operate and also help my students to learn through my live session as well. If there is someone who is interested, I think there are so many messages coming through my messengers and then YouTube channel. Please, I will send you one group, which is my very latest Forex platform, which is Forex trading platform, where you can join that Facebook group, and I will send you the Facebook, which is the Zoom link, and you can join it. So this industry, I would say Forex is all about financial market, right? We're talking. So I would like to go through a little bit of depth in what is financial market, just a little bit of information. So if you see, there are different people who are participating in this financial market, but financial market is all about money is been exchanged somehow, because all of us, we are still traveling the world. We are doing some kind of business internally, buying things online. So this is how the market is running. So in this session, I am going to repeat it again. This is a revision. Financial market, what is Forex history, Forex terms, some terms you need to understand, some kind of risk management is very key, and what is the power of compounding. So market, what is financial market? You can see everywhere in the world, people are betting. I mean, we're not just talking about betting about your games. All the governments, they have some kind of activities going on internally. Then that market is usually becomes, everything has to happen through money, right? So in a place, for example, physical, virtual, or both, there are quotes and exchanges about financial asset mean whatever the asset you might have it, and price is defined by supply and demand over time. So this can be a little bit confusing for few people, but I would like to go through this in depth. This video I will not compromise about the time, because this video will help so many newcomers who would like to learn how this Forex market work. Can I really make some money in Forex, or is it just a gambling, or is it illegal in Nepal, or is it legal in Nepal? What is the scenarios? I would like to go in depth. So you already understood, because people do business financially. Yes, they do business, and it's sometimes virtually, some face to face, some online, some physical, mean face to face. So we have a stock big market. I think most of you know what is stock. Stock market is a big market, but not as Forex market. We have some commodities as well. People do trade oil, gold, some wheat, rice. There are these commodities. And there is crypto. I mean, of course, cryptos are also there. You know, Bitcoin, bonus is also there. So these are just a history of what how this financial market, but these are all financial market. Okay, so Forex is the largest. That's what I will be focusing today. Forex is the hugest market in the world. Why? Because money moves everywhere in the world. Money. So we are talking about money because I would like to empower you about, like, having a lot of money is not evil. Yes, it is a good thing to have it, because this energy will help you to help other people as well. If you are energized, you have a lot of energy, then you can help other people to have it, isn't it? So you can help charity, you can help poor people, you can actually build a hospital, or provide even a school. So why this hugest, largest, famous people are very successful? Because they are helping other people as well to become the best. So talking about our yearly income, so we have NFL. These are the income. FIFA, probably you already know the gaming. These are the games. Cricket, basketball. These all channels, even the face-to-face games. The world. You can say FIFA is actually it's the industry where every single person, I would say not person, but the country will participate, and also they make a lot of money. This is another industry. Okay, so here most important industry where people they make a really huge amount of money is another, which is war, which is you can see now. If you don't know the Ukraine and Russia, whatever is happening, why I'm bringing this topic here is that is also another business. Seriously, it's a business. So everything, whatever is happening, is a business. So you can see this is you can see some drugs, it's a business. Gaming, 100 billions, and all this alcoholism, whatever you say, this is a shopping, like brands. You can see these are the businesses which are making really a crazy money. So how much money does financial market move? Actually, we're talking Forex here. So here in Forex, you will be able to see it's around 7 trillion right now. Do you actually know how many zeros are there in trillion? 12 zeros are there. It's a crazy amount of money. So there is no comparison between stock market. There is no comparison between crypto and commodities. The Forex is the hugest and largest market in the world. Do you know why? Because most of the people who enter the Forex market, they will lose money. And that's why the more people lose the money, that industry will make more money. But honestly, there are 10% of people who are still making decent, not only decent, fortune from this skill, and still that's why this because of those 10% of people, our chances are we can not only 90% can lose, means we can reduce that 90% to 70%. Why not 30% can become wealthiest in the world? This is very possible through this skill set. I'm talking all about skill set here. So what happens in this Forex market? So Forex is actually foreign exchange market, foreign currency exchange market. So yes, means that our currencies, they get exchanged every single moment. I think I was telling in other videos that when I travel to Nepal, I can't use Australian dollar to buy things from Nepal. So I still have to have Nepalese rupees. So that's why what I do is I will exchange that money before I come to Nepal. Even when I was traveling to Australia, I didn't have Nepalese rupees with me. Yes, I would have some notes, but I had to get the TC, which is called travel check, to Australian dollar to spend that money in here. Every time when you see these people who, when they're traveling from one country to another countries, this is what happens. That's how one currency which is stronger than other weaker, then the first one will get the value. Means it's like we're exchanging the rate based on the value. Okay, this is what it is about Forex, and that is all about Forex. So Forex is happening all the time. This exchange is happening all the time in the world. So what is Forex history? So this might be a little bit sophisticating. Means that, okay, maybe some people, they don't want to know about it, like when this foreign exchange market started. In many years ago, what used to happen is people used to use coins. If you know, we still use coin, yes, but before there was no notes, and they used to use salt to their soldier as their salary, you can say. Okay, that's how they used to exchange the labor and then money. So there was no money. Yeah, it came after. So later, money paper came, which is paper money, and this is how the China. I think China was the first country who had the first money. And the golden pattern, after like 1875, there was another program which helped people to actually exchange their things with gold. Oh my God, gold is still popular. You know that I love gold. Okay, I really love gold. So what it means is, we started to enhance or advance. Okay, there was some advancement happening. After that, there's a Bretton Woods. Yes, there was Woods deals also happen in the time of finances, when they have to exchange something. They could also change their money with their what is that called? It's like it's the money made up of Bretton Woods. Okay, it's 1944. It happened in 1944. So the main end of when the Bretton Woods deal was ended back before 1971, then Forex was born. Congratulations to Forex. Okay, it was the birth of Forex was on. If someone asks you when was the first time that the Forex was known in the whole world, is 1971. The break was during Vietnam's war, then US dollar in to be backed by gold. Yes, means that's why you can see that why people are trading gold. I mean, gold and US dollar. This is what how this it happens all after the Vietnam's war, which is Second World War, you can say. Since here the currencies started to be exchanged with bigger freedom, it's all because the demand was there. Okay, there was some holding point, supply was there, and then demand. Now people are starting to exchange money without any hesitation. There was no more boundaries. Now, when the technology came, which is now, technology is crazy going right now, isn't it? So 90s, which is 19, technology accelerated the fluidity, means the flow of the technology was so high in 90s. Then because of that, there was a lot of virtual money, and it allows all this bigger volatility and liquidity in the market. Means once you have money, which is a virtual money, people started to bet a lot. That's why in 80s, from 70 billion daily, now it's like 6.6 trillion a day. Means it's already 7 trillion, you can see, because of the growth. This presentation is a little bit old. Now let's talk about Forex. So Forex is, you can also say FX, you can say foreign exchange. Forex is a currency financial market. It's a financial market, but it's everything happen within currency. So we exchange a currency by another currency. One currency is exchanged in the another currency. So the value of, suppose one currency is US dollar, is very like it has a more value than euro dollar. Then the buy and sell happens. One currency is stronger than other, means that currency will probably go higher and the other one will go down. So why we started to trade in our MetaTrader 4, or maybe you might be using different other platforms, which is okay, which there are so many other platforms available right now. So Forex is actually internal banking market. It is an internal banking market. So everything happens online. So everything happens online, and yes, we have some brokers who money will be leveraging, because they help us to leverage the money, and then you don't need to, and then we make money. You don't need to have a lot of money to get started in Forex market. This is the good thing. In 20s started, yes, it's all about one currency is stronger or other is weaker, then you go in the market. So yes, there are so many countries, they have own currencies. Let's talk about it. So US dollar, yeah, this is US dollar, Euro dollar, Australian Canadian, Australian Swiss franc, Australian Japanese yen. So we have so many currencies. I will probably share you current, and certainly in the live market here, currency pairs are actually, what happens is the relationship, what is the relationship between two currencies? What is the relationship between two currencies? So what is the relationship between two currencies? Quoted, I mean, yes, you can see base currency is Euro dollar, and then another one is US dollar. So this is a quote currency. Okay, so then what we do is, there are other currencies we can also based on. There are major currencies, there are minor currencies. What are those major currencies? So major currencies are those currencies which has USD, means US dollar, because US is the main power. I mean, the currency that has is a main power, USD. Okay, so United States of America, the dollars, I think that's the strongest for now, but of course the value will be greater in euro, sometimes GBP, depending upon the situation. There are major currencies which has always paired with the USD. There are cross currencies which are, you can see there is no USD, there is no any other currencies. Yes, these are cross currencies, also can say minor currencies. There are some exotic actually are the mixture of USD and then other commodities. Okay, there are the other commodities as well. And also you can have Singaporean, this is a SGD, it's a Singaporean dollar. Hopefully that makes sense now. So what is Forex calendar? We have 24 hours a day, 5 days a week market, and we have Asia and Australia, which is it's overlap. Now it's actually the Asia and Australian time frame. It's like the calendar. You can trade mostly those Asian and then Australian dollar. You can also choose a New Zealand dollar during the time. So depends upon which country, which part of the world you are in, it will be from that time. Okay, so European, this zero, basically I would say it's a London session, that would say. I also can tell that one is Asia, means it's a Japanese session. That's what I say. Japan is the first country that will open their sunlight, whatever you say, sunrises. Okay, Japan, and then Australian, which is our here. I'm in Australia right now, and European, it will be London session, and then finally the New York session will be starting in our time. It will be after midnight. Okay, 5 days a week, 24 hours. It's really good. Market participants, who do participate in this market? So here we have central banks, we have governments, private banks, big companies, hedge funds, and some retail traders. And then speculators, means, I mean, most of us who are trading as a private, like retail traders like us, we are here as a spectaculars. So how do we win on trading? So either by selling or by buying. It's a simple. We buy or sell the market to win the trade. But the thing is, yeah, will it go to your direction? It is completely up to you. It's completely up to you. What is your strategy? And then which time frame are you using, or what kind of trader you are? It's completely it's completely individual. Result is already individual, because look, same trade will be sent to many people, but some can make a lot of money from the same trade, but few, they lose a lot of money from the same trade. So it means they don't know how to manage the trade. So I'm going to talk a lot about how to manage those risks in terms of winning trade. In the market, we place an order. So we make money by placing an order called buy or sell. So the difference, like why this is Campra and Benta, it's because it's in different languages. So hopefully everyone can understand that. And so this is how the market look like. So this is just a picture, but I'm going to show you how right now the market is running, and then there's some couple of trades. I'll show you how it works. Okay. Yes, market will either buy or sell, but you can see market is not only going to do these two activities, buying and selling, or which is called bearish and bullish movement, or short or long, whatever you call it. They are the terms. These are the terms that you can use for your trading journey. There are some moment where market is actually doing nothing. You can see this is the some moment are there that market is not really doing much. So we do not want to enter those time. We do not want to enter the market. So we use different brokers. So these are not the brokers I'm using right now. This is just from the internet. I will be very honest. Okay, I use the broker I'm using, and some links, some commission, that if you want to earn some money as well, you can also use those brokers. I think they have a very good spread. And I have used, first broker was icmarkets.com, which was my first broker. Yes, it is like 1:500 it used to be, but now they only have 1:30, means we cannot leverage more money from them. Why? Because reason being that they changed their policies. I think people lost a lot of money using, by over leveraging, by over leveraging their amount. So yes, there are steps to open an account. All you have to do is you have to use your ID. You have to provide some proof of address. There is some initial deposit. But what I will say is, before you start your real trading, a real account, please practice some time, at least 4 weeks in demo, so to reduce those mistakes in real account. Because if I knew that, look, I started straight, I think I still use demo account for 1 week, and immediately after 1 week someone told, okay, at least start from $200 and then you should be okay. But no, the $200 blew away. Maybe I actually didn't risk too much, that's why it was staying until 6 months. But after 6 months, yeah, I was too confident because I made some money, and then I over leveraged and it's all gone. It was with IC market. Then I am using another 4. I mean, I have couple of accounts. You will be surprised. Yes, why? Because I would like to use. It's all about, I would like to use different strategies in different accounts. That's only the reason. There's no. It's completely personal. No one has to do that. And multi-banks is another very good broker that is giving us 1:500 leverage. It's very, very good. No, there are some applications that you can use to trade, which is MetaTrader 4. There are some videos in my own channel where you can use as an instruction that how to open your MetaTrader 4, how to use MetaTrader 4. If you need more information about the how to use MetaTrader 4, I'll give you more information about that. So making money. So look, this isn't it good that so you are making money by buying or selling, and your money is leveraging there. I mean, your money is multiplying without doing much. Yes, but before you enter the trade, you need to be very careful. And while you're in the market as well, you have to be careful that how to manage those trades. So I think most of the gurus who are in a trading industry already, they will teach you, they will also analyze the market, they will give the trade to you, even trade ideas. I'll say I have yeah, they will give you trade ideas, but you know what happens? They will never teach you how to manage the risks, which is managing a trade. So we make money by getting some pips. Okay, that's what it is all about. So yes, there is a pips. See, in this Euro USD and Euro JPY, which is called Euro and then Japanese and Euro USD. So we place an order. There are some bits and acts as well, which is some spread. Like that's why this is a very good example for everyone. If you are in a market or you are placing an order, please do not place an order when you are, and when there is a lot of spread going on. The spread, more the spread, more the money or the commission will be taken by the broker. So be careful on that. So that's why you need to be careful. So spread is something that broker will take it. So yeah, this is how the market look like. I'm going to share you how this real market. So this is an application, and you have to be very careful about the lot size. So I am going to make, maybe if you need to, I will make more videos about lot size, only for lot size, that how it works and how much commission you get. I mean, not commission, but how much money you make in each lot size. So yes, there are many. If you see the market here in this one, probably in this one, micro, mini, and standard. So macro is all about 0.01. It's like each place an order. If each pip is equal to, you will receive 10 cent, 20 cent, 30 cent, 40, 50. This is how you start to make money. But in mini, yes, in each say 0.10, this is 10 means 0.10. It means each pip you are going to make $1. $1, yeah. And this picture probably confuse you, but don't be confused. Yes, because this and here, and standard, it's 1, 2, 3. So each lot size is equal to $10. Yes, you are going to get $10. Okay, $1, $10. This is how you increase your lot size and according to your value, because you don't want to over leverage your account. And finally, I would like to say is like leverage. Yes, we leverage our brokers' money. Yes, that's why they give us this a platform, because they're also getting some money out of it. But the thing is, when we over leverage, sometimes money can go. I mean, we can just lose all the money. That's what it is. How do we win on the forex? I mean, winning and losing is just a part of the game, but how do we make money? That's what I will tell you. Okay, we make money something like this. First thing, if we buy, yes, we buy we buy it has to go. Suppose you are buying, I'm going to show you my own another example, which is my real market. Okay, suppose you enter the market at 1.1790 in Euro USD. What happens is market has moved to 1.1825. Then how much money you made? 35 pips. You calculate your pips, because we do not want to calculate money here, because every single person who is trading has different lot size. We make money based on the lot size, and we calculate money as a pips here. Selling example, if you sold your market at 112.20 and then market has gone to 111.80, then it's 40 pips, means you made 40 pips, depending upon whatever the lot size was, and you made money. This is how we win the market. Here, this is a real example. Macro means depending, this is a lot size and 10 cent. Yeah, this is a really good example. Hopefully you can say 0. This is how it works. $1, $2. So this is just don't worry about this side. We just worry about this side. Okay, so this is the macro, and this is the amount of money that you are going to make once you place an order. And finally, yes, how do we win? Look, we want to win the market. We don't want to lose. Yes, but it doesn't happen all the time, because we if you are smart enough, yes, at least out of 10 trades, if you win 8 trades, you're lucky. Yes, it is happening. It happens actually, but if you understand the market. Oh, here. So here you can see financial analysis. Look, we do not want to do a lot of analysis here, but yes, there are people who do analyze, and there are so many websites that where you can read the news, what is happening, who are making money. So there are some technicals that you need to understand in the forex market, which is some example of like where is the support, where is the resistance, and what is the trend lines, what is Fibonacci tool. It's a tool, we use it. Okay, harmonics pattern. Yes, there are some patterns that it makes there are so many, not only harmonics pattern, there are so many other patterns. See, there's so many patterns always happening in the market. So market will always repeat the same history again and again. If you understand this, yes, it's not hard to understand and make money. RSI, these are all Bollinger Bands, stochastic, my favorite one, stochastics, and other strategies. You can use different strategies. I think I have created 5-minute strategies, which is very, very helpful using this Ichimoku cloud and also some EMAs. Okay, so yes, fundamentals is there. What is fundamentals? So fundamentals is all about the news. Whatever is happening in the news, sometimes it happens like sometimes economics is going down, there's inflammation, the politics is changing, someone is speaking in the Fed, and yeah, affecting the supplies and demand in the marketplace. Okay, so sometimes MPI, yes, like PMI, NFP, these are the people, I mean, usually talk in the speeches that they give, big speeches, especially in the central bank interest rate changing. Oh my God, election is happening in this country. There is some political speeches going on, some natural disaster. My God, the Ukraine, and then there's some war is going on, some kind of natural disaster is happening. Then what happens is, yes, the interest rate will go high or low. Then market is going to crash sometime. And also, even though you have got perfect analysis of your fundamental analysis, not technical analysis, and you have done all the research about the action plan, which is called not action plan, but it's a price action. Price actions. Okay, so what will happen? This, I mean, why I told action plan is, look, if you don't have the action plan, that what is happening in the market and why this price action is happening. But in case if there is some speech from this kind of prime minister or some other major people in the world, yes, this currency will not do, or this moment will not be the same as price action, because of this people, fundamental has a lot of power on that time. Okay, technical, we have already talked about it, and then these are the chart you already know. So this is how the candlestick look like. I think most of you already know how this look like. There is bearish and bullish movement. And finally, why do you have to invest in Forex? Let me know one thing. Market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. It is the most liquid market in the world. And there is no much investment they have to do. Low investment is there. All you need is connectivity with Wi-Fi and one mobile phone. And yes, you can do this from any part of the world. I always give an example. Look, imagine you are drinking a sip of champagne or wine, and still there is a market which is favoring your movement. You already analyzed it, and you are sitting next to the beach. There is internet is there, or in a resort, and you're still making money. How that sound like you? How does that sound like you? I think it sounds like someone who you already want to do that, isn't it? So yes, it is really possible. Whatever I told you, it is very, very skilled based platform where you have to master yourself and understand what kind of trader you want to become, and then you go and do what you want to do. Understand, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, yes, I will wait. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Subscribe to the channel, and yes, I will see you in the next video. I love you so much, and keep loving and supporting. And if you haven't joined my Facebook group yet, please do join it, because that is going to help me to help you easily. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the